Alright, it is Monday morning around 7 a.m. at the dike in Texas City, Levy area. Levy is way over there, dike right here. So anyway, we're going to be flying in this area today. I got my camera set out over here, down there on a pole. My wife Joyce with me, in her car, of course. So anyway, yeah, as far as it goes, we're going to go ahead and have some fun out here as I target the water. So, yeah, hey, little porpoise, we're going around you. There it is, right there, porpoise. Hey, little porpoise. Look, me and Jude that comes to say fuck you. Well, I'm Azrael, the angel of death, dressed in black. I am. Orange helmet so you can find me. The only way you can see me in orange fucking thing. ridiculous. Oh. Oh my goodness. That was a good board recovery right there. I had to do a board recovery. Did you see that? Huh? I lost my board temporarily. I hit a wave and I lost it. I'm done. I'm tired. Are you? Yeah. All right, I'm landing over here. I'm gonna run it. All right, interesting landing right there. Did it myself. Manual landing. All right, well that's it on this video. So other than that, I had a great day. Thanks for watching. Alright, well anyway, I'm at the boathouse area at the levee. It's 2 days after Marcus has passed. Tropical storm really didn't do anything to us where we're at in Texas. So anyway, at the Texas City levee area, further down that way, they shut it down this morning with a bunch of equipment and everything just to close the exit down to make where it was impossible for normal people to fly. But I got my ways. So anyway, we're over here. It's just a lot more dangerous. So, as far as it goes, Hurricane Laura's out there, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning right now before the storm has actually hit landfall. So I'm going to go out there and play with a 9-meter core XR and see what we can do. It's kind of coming in a little bit, but at a side angle, so I should be able to get out a little bit. And then when I get out so far, then I can go out and play and have some fun. So anyway, I just want to get some footage of this, and like I said, just have some fun. I'm the only one here. So there are no failures and no mistakes. So yeah, what's always with God. That's my guide. So anyway, everywhere and everything is invisible. It is. Alright, now I'm gonna go for a launch, and then I'm gonna walk all the way to the beach over there. I'm all connected, and I'm ready to go. Move the car down there too, so that way when I get ready to go, it'll be a lot easier. Alright, so now we're gonna go have some fun. Alright, I got it in the half shell. I'm walking to the side. get out. Jump the tracks back and forth. There we go. Perfect. Freedom. Ready. We're all in this together, guys. So they closed all this down right here. So that's why I'm over here on the lawn. See, now, dry lawn, and where I normally am over here. Just get the location. Look, rough seas. Nobody can help me. Nobody can save me. And that's what I love. I'm on my own. Where I need to be. Golden Eagle doesn't get along with others. Nor does the falcon, but golden eagle and falcon get along together. Very aggressive birds in the ecosystem of Mother Nature. Of animals. As aerial assassins they are. And the angel of death I am as right now. He needs a attack going back. Well, yeah, we're having fun. My rock's off right now. up a little bit too. Good. So anyway, that was a nice, good day before Hurricane Laura came on shore, and from 10 o'clock in the morning, setting up, and probably 10:30 or so that I launched. Took off out of here and went to the dike first, came back here, and started doing some jumps in this area. Yeah, I had to fly back in. I had to lift up and come back in, like fly, literally, go up in the air and fly back into shore, so that way I could get a good tack back in. So everything is good, and I had a lot of fun, and y'all be safe out there, and y'all bless you. And if you are in that area of 110-mile-an-hour radius of wind damage, get out. That's all I can say, get out. I wouldn't even kite in that. So anyway, that's my good common sense. Right now it's only blowing about 29 miles per hour or so, so I had a 9 meter on the middle knot, so I was able to control it. So anyway, it's off the